So what we will be talking about today is a homeless kitten, but I have to take care of it. I'll show you. It's a boy. At first, I thought it was a girl, but then it was actually a boy. It turned out it was a boy. Come here, Tiger. He was a cute little kitten, and then he just lays in my lap like nothing. The camera. Oh, sweet little tiger. I named him Tiger because look at the stripes. But then it turns into spots. But then at the end, the tail is black like a panther. But it's like a mix-up. So that's the little tree house. It might be dark over there, but there's a jacket in it. Look, Tiger. Tiger, look at the camera. Good boy. He is very cute. He'll run around all over. Hopefully, leave a subscribe and hopefully we can take care of him. Bye.